And today I have something more exciting, I think, for me anyways. And we are going to be unboxing an HSD Mirage 2000. And this jet was designed to have room to fit turbines in there, but instead I am going to be making that into an EDF. So stay tuned, let's see what comes out of the box, and there will definitely be flights coming soon once I'm done building it. Let's jump into it and let's take a look. So this is the HSD Mirage 2000. What do we have here? It looks like a manual. That's pretty standard manual. And finally, the Mirage 2000. So this is a version 2 jet that I ordered custom via Nova Jets. Thank you guys. You guys were amazing at helping me secure this thing. And what I'm going to do with this is that this usually is sold as a turbine sort of kit. What I'm going to be doing with it is putting a jet fan 110 in here and flying this thing as an EDF. And so that is a jet fan 110, and if you can see that, 840 kV, and that's what's going to be running in this jet. What do we have here? Looks like a wing. Let's put that down here. Very clean looking. Looks like it's got aluminum guard bar for some reason. Looks like that screws in through there. Very nice gear with brakes. They put some good care into the servo. Wow, that's looks like a very quality kit. Very nicely done. Linkage connections there. Looks like my servo connector is gonna come in here, which is awesome. So very clean. Obviously lights. Looks very. Second thing, other wing. Same idea, nothing too out of the ordinary here. Same big servo, looks awesome. Oh, looks like that's gonna need some fixing in there. Glue, but that's okay. What else? The rudder. That looks very clean. Very nice attachments there for the servo. Looking good. What else? No lights on this guy. HSD jets. Very nice. Looks pretty nice. Pretty clean. Okay. Now, looks like, control board. All right, little bits and pieces here. Let's see. Looks like a refueling probe. Very nice. More probes, pitot tubes, whatnot. Looks like hardware package. More plastic bits. And obviously looks like, let's see. Yeah, more antennas and whatnot. Just plastic bits that go on the foam kit. Let's put those back in here. Let's see what's underneath the box here. Okay. This, my friends, is why we do this. Wow. The quality of the fuselage looks pretty good. It's pretty good. Got some ding marks. Okay. that just came out of here. Looks pretty decent. Looks like a nice paint job, decals looking good. Let's put that over there. And here are all the bits that I will not be using because these are for the turbine. Let's see. Some wooden bits. I'm guessing this is for electronics and whatnot. So this guy is gonna drop in somewhere right here. We're gonna have, looks like I'm gonna have to carve the foam out. Or maybe just right there. We shall see where to put it. I don't know, over here, maybe further down, over there. Okay. Looks pretty empty. Maybe your battery straps would go over there. What are these? Servos for, oh, gear door servos. You can see the gear doors right there. But all in all, looks pretty good. It's a quality kit. Very nice. Okay, so that's big. That's absolutely ginormous. Let's see, compared to the other 105. Oh my goodness. So I just finished building that, and you can see this is quite a big plane. This guy down here is a 105 millimeter, so it's not small, but the Mirage is definitely way bigger. Okay, let's see. Nose. Oh, very nice looking. It's like room for more batteries, and this is just gonna go like that. So you can see the size of the HSD Mirage, pretty big. Okay, and then we have the canopy. It's gonna go in here like that. Carbon spar that goes right there for the wing. Let's see, is there anything else? Nope, that's it. That's gonna be a fun build.